Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix the problem when you have stable internet connection, but you cannot use your browser and Google Play Store on REALME GT2. So first let's check Google Chrome. Here if we try to reach any website, like YouTube, there's this error right here. And the same is with Google Play Store, as if we try to download something, there's something wrong. And to fix both of these issues, we'll need to open our settings, scroll all the way down to find additional settings, locate date and time, and here set time automatically. If you go back and try to refresh the page, it will work fine. And the same as with Google Play Store, so we can actually download apps now. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.